Saturday morning. It's 7:26 a.m. Lake Pontchartrain looks beautiful. That's where I should be at, but I just had lip surgery, so I'm taking it easy for another day. But I'll probably be out here tomorrow morning though. Beautiful morning to be out here, folks. Saturday morning, there ain't no boats out here. Something wrong. All right, folks, see that right there? See that water right there is flat? That's a bait slick. It's called a bait slick right there. That's what you're looking for. Some people say it smells like watermelon. I don't know. They haven't been catching any on this side of the drawbridge. They've been more so on the other side of the drawbridge around 174, 175. I think that's where the fish are really. About 174, 17 mile marker, 174, 175. All right, folks, we got some fishermen here. Yeah, look at here. I'm telling you, the South Shore is a great spot to fish. One fishing on bottom, one fishing with a cork. All right, folks, there's a couple of boats by the South Shore over there. All we did is pretty out here. Not much water at all. Not much rough on it. Look at here, folks. I'm telling you, it's a good place to come swimming with the kids and fishing. Another boat over there. I'm telling you, the kayakers gonna love this spot right here. You can launch your boat right there and go out and fish. You know, have a good time. Let's see what the water looks like. Too bad. Pretty though. Pretty. Hi folks, I just met this fisherman over here by South Shore, and I just gave him Team JoJo's business card. He's from Texas, and I told him next time he comes down here to give us a call. So I want you to introduce yourself and tell you what's going on.
Hey, my name is Peter. I'm from Houston, Texas area. I'm just here helping brother-in-law move with some stuff, and took a couple hours to come out here to the lake, try my luck, but nothing yet. Met this nice gentleman here. I've seen him on YouTube, so I'm gonna make sure to subscribe and maybe try to get a trip with him next time I'm back in town.
That's what I told you. Next time you come, just give me a call. We'll definitely do a trip.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Peter.
All right.
Morning, folks. It's still Saturday. I'm over here at Oneofthepack with Oneofthepack 2. Oneofthepack 2. We just showed them how to rig a Carolina rig, hook, leader, swivel, sinker, sliding sinker. Also showed them how to rig a sliding cork. Basically, it's a Carolina rig where you put the cork, a BB, and a rubber to stop it to whatever depth you want to set it at. You slide that rubber band up and down to get the right depth. We also rigged up the drop shot. I showed them how to do a drop shot. I showed them what knot I used to tie all my stuff together with. I use the cinch, the double cinch knot. I use it for everything. To join two lines together, to tie my lures on, to tie my hooks on, double knit cinch lines, cinch knots. Sliding cork, I explained to him right there. What I normally do is I drop the sink all the way down to the bottom to find out how deep it is. And I come up about a foot. And that's where I set the rubber band at. If I'm in 9 feet of water, it's probably going to be about 8 feet. And used to be back in the boat terminal days, I'd have 4 lines out at different depths. I'd have them down to 5, 7, 9, and 12. And when I started catching them, if I was at 12 feet, I set the other 4 at 12 feet. But that's how I used to fish a live bait a long time ago with a sliding cork. And this time of the year, you know, you just about got to have a live bait to make it work. So we also took a spot rod to Gus. I had a $100 gift certificate. I spent that. He spent some of his. Everybody out there, I don't know if you're doing that, check your fishing license, make sure you're current. I had 3 days left on mine. We're trying to plan a trip together. It's kind of hard with the work. He still works, I'm retired. But we're going to figure out a day to get back out there. Supposed to head out tomorrow with Rudy. And we're going to give it a shot. Still got 4 poles to work on. So that's it, folks. We're over here by the house, and that's the Bay Flat Junior back there. Say something, Willie. Say something.
What's up?
What's up?